Hey, good morning everybody. Today we're going to be spraying the farm, and we're going to be spraying the farm to activate our leaves. We want to have more leaf growth. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm using here. If you want to go ahead and push your trees to grow new leaves and have a lot more sprouts, I'm going to show you what we're going to use, and we're going to go ahead and do it.
So what is wrong with that? I'm not gonna be like everybody wants.
So the first thing that we use here is a 25-5. So it's an NPK fertilizer. It's high in nitrogen, and you can see it's 4 times higher in nitrogen than it is phosphorus or potassium, and this really pushes the leaves. And this one here is basically it makes it stick to the leaf, right? So it's like an oil. It helps it to attach to the leaf and doesn't come off so early. It's 6 a.m. Whenever you spray, you're going to want to spray like before 7. I like to start spraying around 6. Right now it's about 6:15. We've already mixed the tanks up. I've got everything laid out. I've got everybody ready to spray. Let's go ahead and show you. So you see here I got Lay, got my beautiful wife, and I've got the tractor ready. Let's go ahead and jump on there and get them going. But when you spray, guys, you want to spray on the underside of the leaves, okay? So you're looking to do this. It's important that your people know how to spray. Anything on top of the leaf really doesn't count. It's underneath where the leaf feeds from. So when we spray, you just want to make sure that your people are going to be spraying from underneath, because that's where the feeders are, the receptors are. And you want to start early in the morning spraying, because by 8:30 these receptors in the leaves will start closing underneath the leaf, right? They'll start closing and they'll stop feeding when the sun comes up. So we want to start around 6 a.m. and you want to give enough time for these receptors to absorb that NPK fertilizer. All right, so here we go. We'll get them going here. Raise everything up. We're off we go. So you want to go at a pace also that the workers could go ahead and have time to spray each tree. You see how they're spraying up though? That's what I mean about you want to make sure they're spraying upwards, and being that the trees are big, pretty much they're going to be spraying upwards. So not too bad to have them do it. So I've got in my tank here, I've got a 350 litre tank to do this side of my farm. I won't do my new farm, these new trees, I won't do them, but we'll just do these older trees here today. Hey, I just want to touch on something. Owning a farm is a total lifestyle change. You guys, you start yourself a farm. The lifestyle change is really 100% turnaround depending on what you've been doing. I was a businessman. Yeah, I did business over in China. I lived in China for many years. Ran a company in China, had a Hong Kong trading company. In America, I've invested in homes. I was a real estate investor, had rentals, bought properties, rehabbed and sold them, flipped them, and that's a hell of a lifestyle too, fast-paced lifestyle, the life I've been living. So being here, buying a farm with my wife, and us raising Durian it's a hell of a lifestyle change, and it feels good. It's a great feeling. And any of you guys out there that have, had a fast lifestyle, and want to slow down a little bit and mix it up, this is definitely a life changer. You know, we're gonna make some money with Durian, but I don't expect to be rich. I've already made my money. I prepared for this in my life, so this is something that's more therapeutic than anything for me. You know, guys, and I think for a lot of guys our age, wanting to slow down and to get on a farm and do what I'm doing is something that we all can kind of think about. I don't think you live a fast-paced life and then when you get in your 50s and 60s you think about, you know, ramping it back up into something, you know, pretty wild. So at least I don't. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's just a little feeling I had. I thought I'd share with you. On tractors, you'll have these mirrors so you can watch your people. So when your people are spraying, you know, you can gauge how fast you're going. You don't want them rushing each tree, but you can just watch in the mirror instead of having to break your neck, turn around all the time to make sure you're not going too fast. It's almost 7 o'clock, guys, and we're on our last row here, and we're done spraying for this morning. So, anyways, yeah, you know, the main point, the key for spraying your farm, no matter what you're putting on it, well, besides bug spray, okay, you wanna either start good and early, right around 6. You want to be finished by 7. You need to start at 5 to get it done. Depends on how long it takes you. It takes me an hour to spray my farm. You know, for those of you that take 2 hours or more, you're gonna have to start earlier. But yeah, you just want to broadly spray the leaf. You don't want it you don't want it just dripping off. You just want to mist the tree. You want to make sure you're spraying underneath the leaves. And that's pretty much it, guys. You take your time. Let the workers have plenty of time to do what they're doing. to get it on there. So. All right, guys, that's it. So, proper tractor maintenance. After you're done working in your field, taking care of what you got to take care of, it's good to clean your tractor off. You don't want to have, you just want to take care of your equipment. It's not cheap. This is over $500,000, sorry, 500,000 baht tractor. So, yeah, take care of your equipment. All right, guys, so end of the video here. Hope you learned from it. Spraying your trees are important, time-wise. Timing in the morning, really important. And what you put on it. So, anyways, guys, give me a thumbs up if you made it this far. And if you like farming channels, then maybe you want to subscribe. Other than that, we'll see everybody next time. And we'll see ya.